At the jam of the mic, it's a bird.
It's a breeze.
No, I'm
Yo, nah, keep that verse home like that.
Read a good book, that's all it took for me to catch the knowledge, and now I'm hooked. Take a good look, take a real good look. Don't throw from the smoke, it's time to cook. A private graduation here to school the nation of all the frustration of the world's temptation. But success is the best, that's a sweet sensation. Catch the knowledge, illustration, education. A pimp was a Mac, now it's over, don't look back. The babes in the 90s is hip to that. Stripped up the gear and your Cadillac. News at 11 cause you just been jacked. I'm so fly, why, but why? Because I don't do drugs or I drive by. Must my color have to die, keep the world goodbye. Why, but why? I'm making money while you're playing. Listen to the lyrics so you know what I'm saying. Getting off to the hype of this world. I can't help a brother if a brother ain't thorough. I'm here to entertain, not a mannequin display. That's why you're sitting on the dock of the bay. Listen to the THUNDER. Thunder Knob is the star. Mama bird me with the mic in my hand. Doc said, damn, that's a bad man. Dad said, I know cause he my son. You damn right, I'm the first one. If you fail to plan, then your plan will fail. It's all about business, it's all about sale. Listen to the lyrics so you know what I'm saying. I'm making money while you're playing.
He's making money while you're playing.
More money.
He's making money while you're playing.
Make money.
He's making money while you're playing.
More money.
He's making money while you're playing. Yo, nah, number 2.
Thunder putting smoke to a new track. I'm out to get paid, that's where my head's at. Everything about me is all about money. I'm sticking to the dollar like bees on honey. You better get yours, I'm out to get mine. Thinking about nothing but the dollar signs. I'm talking about credit and my name on top. Buying any and everything with my John Hancock. Walking through any business or any store. Don't ask about the price, now that's dope. A multi-millionaire in the top 10 rank. Don't want nothing fat but a piggy bank. That's right, baby doll, it's a black thing. A black man with money is a black king. Listen to the lyrics so you know what I'm saying. I'm making money while you're playing.
He's making money while you're playing.
More money.
He's making money while you're playing.
Make money.
He's making money while you're playing.
More money.
He's making money while you're playing.
Yo, now, how funky can Thunder get when DJ can't produce the hit? Just like that other brother said, we're too legit to quit.
No way.
I know you was waiting on the wax, something now to get you hype. The jam could have slammed a long time ago, but the suckers didn't treat us right. That's why we clock our own dough and run our own damn show. We're part of the color population that will never ever be. All my friends say I'm acting strange, but it's time for me to change. So I had to let them loose. I know I got the juice. Sitting around drinking a 40, selling drugs, ain't making no progress. Just making our black population one shade color less. You can't kick me to the curb or play me to the left. Thunder Knob and DJ Can had to go for yourself. If you fail to plan, then your plan will fail. It's all about business, it's all about sale. More money, more power in the black man's hand. I'm making money while you're playing.
He's making money while you're playing.
Yo, man, take that for me one time.
He's making money while you're playing.
Hey, that sound like bags to me, Jesse.
He's making money while you're playing.
Yo, Mac, that ass, what's really happening?
He's making money while you're playing.
More money, more money, more money, more money, more money, more money,
Why y'all playing? You know what? More money, more years. Continue
money,
hits, baby. For the 90s, right?
more money, more real, more money, more money, more payday, more payday, more money,
Nick, check this out. And you know what? This how we really feel, my niggas. Yo, nah,
Get off
I'm
the
tired
dick.
of all these motherfuckers
I
talking
don't
that
need none of
shit.
y'all
Yo, Can,
bitches.
when you coming up with your jam? Yo, Knob,
All
what's
you
up?
hoes need to
Yo,
go
I'm tired of all
on
this
about your business,
bullshit.
'cause
Yo,
you ain't
Knob,
gonna come.
take that shit, man. Fuck.
What's up with all the questions? No, I'm not Capone, just a true black Max. That got that going on. Got big bait cash in my caddy full of gas. You know I got a personal that I keep stash. No, I'm not a drinker, but I'm charged with the juice. A player in the game room, it's time to get loose. She's holding big back, I think I better get that. You don't just wake up and say you are a Mac. Never sent a boy to do a man's job. The Mac Daddy friend, what's up? It's Thunder Knob, this is organized crime. No waiting in a line. Pimpin' is legal and my tricks is fine. Tailor-made suits, suspender and tie. Borsalino brim, snake boots is why. The chicks get Mac, the dollars get stacked. You don't just wake up and say you are a Mac.
Yo, Mac Daddy. Hey man, we've been struggling for a long ass time, fucking with raggedy ass bitches. But check this out, we made it, and I got something for you.
Oh, fire that bitch up. Yeah.
Smile, you on a game show, honey. I'm the PIMP, straight out for the money. You got a winning lotto ticket, here's a pen. Sign it right over to the Mac man. You get rich off a trick and a pimp has plenty. I want every dollar to the last damn penny. The women of the world get played. I'm in it for one thing and that's to get paid. I'm a Mac and I'm good with words. When I'm finished and done, you get kicked to the curb. Saying that I love you is a no-no. Let her cry, you gotta go, you gotta go. I fly and I'm quick to tell a lie. No check, who's next, that's why. The tricks get Mac, the dollars get stacked. You don't just wake up and say you are a Mac. I ain't new to this, I'm true to this. I'm so hungry, I eat the ass out of rag down.
Yo, man, you know what, man? You was the nastiest, fattest motherfucker I've ever met in my entire motherfucking life. Anyway, hit that shit.
Damn, hold on a minute, I'm gonna have to charge this bitch. Ho, don't make me beat your motherfucking ass down.
Oh, please, baby, please, ground man, Mac Daddy, goddamn, my whole ass, I'll straighten up.
Kicks your 4 kids and you play with hoes. I stay geared cause a pimp like clothes. Come here, get over here, it's me. What's this long distance AT&T? I'm a doggy dog, you gon' get dog. Did you beat my pager or my car phone? No, you got big problems when it comes to a Mac. I had to do that, you my trick and you know what to do. If I'm gon' suffer, you gon' suffer too. You're my property and I own ya. Superfly Mac Daddy will bone ya. Doing stupid things to make it feel like a nut strike one, and I'ma straighten you up, ho. The drinks get Mac, the dollars get stacked. You don't just wake up and say you are a Mac, motherfucker.
Listen to this funky ass beat.
You ain't never seen a real Mac.
Hey man,
Of another person.
check this move out.
Whether you like it or you don't like it, it's the best thing I got going for you today.
Hey, and for all you who didn't think that this record was gonna be made talking that
Say
shit.
that shit.
Oh, okay, you lucky. You lucky. Take me out on the other side.
That's for the 90 track.
Questions, fuck this shit. In a big motherfucking way, I'm pleading the fifth. Kiss my entire ass. Do I owe you anything? Well, no, get the fuck out my face then. We out this bitch.
Yo, man, how you pull all them bitches?
What's up with you and my girl? What, she ain't good enough for you?
Yo, man, I heard you kick that bitch Marie to the keys.
All that money you making, you rolling like the dope man.
this, I'm true to this. I'm so hungry, I eat the ass out of rag down.
Yo, man, you know what, man? You was the nastiest, fattest motherfucker I've ever met in my entire motherfucking life. Anyway, hit that shit.
Please, baby, please, ground man, Mac Daddy goddamn my whole ass, I'll straighten up, please.
Do you love me or what?
Hell no.
Come on, baby. I'll buy you a car, a house. You want me to have your baby too?
What? No, I can't throw no lyrics on your jam.
Nah, but it's still on for the night.
Yo, Thunder, you still thinking about making records?
What's up, man? You ain't got time for the fellas no more?
Thunder, now let me get your page and number.
Yo, nah, let me be your bodyguard. Get equipment, do something.
Man, can I kick it on the road? What's up?
Meet me at Holiday Inn later, okay?
It's hard sometimes to say those three words, I love you. And it's very difficult when it's not from the heart. Love is a feeling that starts from the heart, and all through life it plays a big part. You must give love to receive love. It goes together like water in a hot tub. That word love is sentimental, and when you make love you must be gentle. Real true love will last forever. L-O-V-E brings us together. I thought about Marie, me and Mrs. Jones. Love will make you do right, love will make you do wrong. All I do is think of you. I come to find your love's not true. A broken heart I must mend. When will I see your smile again? I love everything you do. How sweet it is to be loved by you. I made this for the lovers. I made this for the lovers. It's hard these days to find true love, like caressing and kissing with a great big hug. You fall in love with somebody and they treat you wrong. You get used and abused and then they're gone. You get 100% to try to make things work. No matter how hard you try, you still get hurt. You analyze the situation, wonder what went wrong. Once again your heart is broken and you're all alone. You try everything you can to get your love back. Fatal attraction, we all seen that. Some take heartbreaks harder than others. That's why we need friends, relatives, fathers and mothers. Eventually you get over your last lover and live the single life and never discover the real true meaning of a four-letter word that's often said but seldom heard. Love. I made this for the lovers. This one is for the lovers. I love you if you love me back. Do you honestly think love works like that? Take from others and do not give. That's how a greedy person live. While you were out making love, who's making love to yours? The best kept secret is behind closed doors. Good things come to those who wait. You never miss a good thing until it's too late. I say it's you and you say it's me. Tell me what is the possibility of us making it together? Sit down and talk to make things better. Explain yourself better through a love letter. Two heads is better than one, and that's clever. Where's your heart? Is it with another? That's okay. I made this for the lovers.
The lovers, the lovers. This is for the lovers, the lovers.
This one is for the lovers.
For the lovers, the lovers, the lovers. This is for the lovers, the lovers.
I made this for the lovers.
For the lovers, the lovers, the lovers. This is for the lovers, the lovers.
This one is for the lovers.
For the lovers, the lovers, the lovers. This is for the lovers, the lovers.
I made this for the lovers.
Dizzy, dizzy, dizzy.
You have reached player, hustler, pimp, Mac Daddy convention, where Mackin' is our game.
My name is.
I didn't ask you your damn name, and if you ain't calling to be Mac, you got the wrong damn number. How may I direct your call?
Wait till they get a load of me.
Whatever I do it to my best ability. Hook up a mic to the nearest utility, and I'll approach to take the mic from the stand. And at my back is Mr. DJ Can, warming it up, posed to make a threat. A tag team duo funking up the set. He gets hype fast, the crowd gets hyper. I'm more like a hitman, a well-known sniper. You are the target, infrared, the scope with just another type of dope. You just got smoke. Fears in the heart that comes from many. You talk about rhymes and yo, I got plenty. I'ma need a towel to wipe my sweat. The stage gets slippery when it's wet. A lyrical rap poet that I am. I write my own lyrics and I say damn. How in the hell did I think of that line? Oh, I know why. Because it's mine. I'ma use a pen till the ink stops flowing, and I'ma keep throwing till the crowd stops showing. Long after ladies keep smiling and grinning, I'ma do good while my DJ is spinning.
Wait till they get a load of me. Wait till they get a load of me.
Wait till they get a load of me. Yeah, I'm heavy, but my name ain't D. Players have fun and bums have none. There's two categories and I'm in the first one. I never let you down, so don't just stand around. And if you wanna do that, do it in the background up front. It's what I call the dance floor. I'm here to entertain, that's what I get paid for. Put your hands in the air if it's hot like an oven. Don't make it complicated by pushing and shoving. You can come close, but give me room. How much pleasure can you consume? Time's a wasted. Who's? Of course, the M-E-Y, because I must get P-A-I-D. Time for big bang, put cash in hand. No, I owe you to this two-man band. How long did it take to put this together? Not long, it gets better and better. Tell all your friends that you're a friend of mine. The man that was tight to stupid deaf lines. You wonder how I do what I just done? People play games, but I'm not the one. I twist up the tongue, you just so might stutter. No, not I, not me, my brother.
Wait till they get a load of me. Wait till they get a load of me.
Go ahead, shoot up, take a nice dose of me. Too much of me and I know you're gonna OD. Cause if you start fiending, I'm a high price dope. You caught the vapor from the lines I wrote. Don't drink and drive, you just might crash. Dealing with thunder, you're out your weight class. So what, the sunshine, you'll be scared of my shadow. Shaking like a snake in the class of a rattle. You brought it on yourself, now who's to blame? I'm the line trainer, now you must be sane. Is there a problem understanding my definition from the first verse of my last composition? Well, if it is, I'm here to solve. I'ma step to it cause I'm involved. Let's clear the air, get it out in the open. I don't bend over, I do the stroking. I stay fresh, I'll never spore. My rap better than aluminum foil. I kick the basic rap, the fundamental. Never feeling loyal or sentimental. Long live the legend, my well won't run dry. My soul won't die, they just multiply. Pull back the curtain for the man in the middle. What you thought it was a joke, a rhyme, the rap riddle?
Wait till they get a load of me. Wait till they get a load of me.
I'm like like a disease. This is contagious. Yeah, I'm addicted to worldwide stages. Put up your guard, stand in self-defense. A cat has 9 lives, well I got confidence. Mirror on the wall, I've been chosen. The man don't move is the man that's frozen. If you're scared, call 6'5". You can run, but I know you can't hide. I done cut up sharp ass a razor blade, trim design, and drunk some ice cold lemonade. I got it like that. That's my prerogative. It's getting heated up, cause I'm hyperactive, the big boss man. Yo, the Mac trucker, and I'm the man that tear the roof off the sucker. And after I'm finished, said and done, I come first, meaning number one.
Wait till they get a load of me. 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 Wait till they get a load of me.
Eat 'em up, 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 yum yum, 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 eat 'em up, eat 'em up, eat 'em up, eat 'em up, yum yum, yum yum, yum yum.
My DJ will eat 'em up every time you see 'em. Ladies all on 'em, and a brother wanna be 'em. Making dope track for the doggy dog style. Make you shake your booty for a long, long while. Eat 'em up, DJ Can. Thunder not the MC, and he's a one-man band. Jam, 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 well I'll be damned. Tear the roof off the mother when my DJ slam. There's no party without the man. And everybody screaming,
We want Can!
plug the tables up with the juice. And watch a good time, brother, get loose. From the 24 track to the reel, the man got more tricks than Copperfield. I seen it for myself cause I've been there. He make a sucker DJ have a nightmare. With the mix in the middle of the wheels of steel, people get crazy in the house of thrill. Here's the lead man, the one-man band, it's showtime. Eat 'em up, Can.
Eat 'em up, eat 'em up, eat 'em up, eat 'em up, yum yum, yum yum, yum yum, yum yum, eat 'em up,
Back to the lesson about the man, and who we talking about, ladies?
DJ Can!
The phenomenon dominant, have it your way. It's not Burger King, it's the Eat 'em Up DJ. 1, 2, 3 like XYZ. Black Entertainment like BET. The DJ stand on the upper deck. JFK, the old school rep. Action, action, the main attraction. People spend their money for the satisfaction. They say that they've been there with the fast hand can and make you sweat and get funky. He's a bad man. Smoke from the wheels of his presentation. It always happened with the demonstration. Fast as lightning with the rapper thunder. My Sharia Moore by Stevie Wonder. Spinning all records to the max. We had to put the bad man on wax. To let you know what it's all about, set that funky booty on now.
amazing, 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 amazing figure from another world with powers and abilities never before realized by mortal men.
Sorry for the interruption. We must take a pause for the cause to thank the people that made this possible.
Ain't nothing wrong with your radio. What? You thought it was a joke? This ain't no damn hot dog stand. It's Thunder Knob and DJ Can.
Thunder Knob.
That's me.
My name is
Can.
Cavalry.
Not Bossy, that's in effect.
We got what?
That's why we kicking around with London West.
You got right.
That's why we kicking around with London West.
Yes, I'm qualified to do my job. That's why the women call Thunder now. The MC king of the battle roar. My raps last longer than aluminum foil.
It's my turn, so understand. I go by the name of a DJ Can. Thanks to Betty, Cheney, Ken and Sean, Red Dog, Thunder Knob, myself, and Lil Don. Anybody else can't do nothing for you. A piece to the cavalry, and they don't wanna know you. How did we do it? We did it, it's done. Mr. Candidate gotta run. Peace.
Everybody's got a little light under the sun, under the sun, under the sun, under the sun. Spin that record, Ken.
He's Superman.
No, he's DJ Ken.
Are you sure?
Sure as that big fat rump, and we ain't doing no damn Humpty Hump in Hell's Kitchen. The DJ's boss hard. What we doing, Ken? Now put that hump in your back. Rock your body just like that. Beware of the dog, cause he bite. When he see the big booty shaking left to right. Can's a funky dope producer with a beat funk sound. Make you wanna get funky, get up or get down. A funky beat like this, get your pump.
The motor booty, baby, shake your rump.
See the big booty, step to it. Ain't nothing to it but for you to do it. Where the dogs at? Here we go, here we go. How low can you go to the flow? Set that booty out. Like what? DJ can't eat 'em up.
Eat 'em up, 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 yum yum, 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 eat 'em up, 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 yum yum, 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 eat 'em up.
Excuse me, pardon me, we coming through. The eat 'em up, Jesus from the awesome crew. And if you're in our path, take a different route. We gon' set that funky booty on out. Excuse me, pardon me, out my way. Make my day.
Yo, Mac Daddy, can you hear me?
Yeah, I hear you, G. What's up?
Check this shit out. For all you motherfuckers who didn't believe, who didn't think we was gonna make this album, was talking shit all these years, check this out. All you motherfuckers out there that didn't believe can grab our motherfucking fuzzy ass nuts.
Yo, man, what y'all doing, man? Come on up out of there, man.
Yo, Mac Daddy, cut this shit off.
Okay, G.
Mac Daddy.
What's up, G?
Hey, they gone yet?
Yeah, they done covered.
Check this out. Hey, you know how to work that shit in there?
Man, I don't know. I think so, though.
Hey, go in there and punch that power button.
Hold up.